Ethereum is not looking good in terms of chart and in terms of news. All right, so hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are from usethebitcoin.com, and today we will be providing you with the latest news and update for Ethereum. Okay, so let's try to read the news here. Now, according to the news here, filing suggests that SEC is exploring grounds to deny spot Ethereum ETFs. Okay, now we have an article here, and I will just be providing you with the link for this article in our description. Okay. Now, to summarize everything, the main issue for the SEC is whether to classify Ethereum as a security or not. Okay. So they are trying to decide which type of classification would it belong. Okay. Now, if they will be classifying Ethereum as securities, then it could potentially impact Ethereum for several ways. Okay. Now, let's start with number one. For example, they will be classifying Ethereum as a security, then they would need to comply with stricter regulations that would apply to securities. Okay. Now, this will include a lot of requirements, okay? Disclosure requirements, investors protection, and compliance measures, and many more, okay? Number two, if they will be classifying it as securities, then they will also have like a different tax treatments and reporting requirements compared to commodities, okay? Now, this could also affect the attractiveness of Ethereum to other investors. And lastly, if they will be classifying Ethereum as ETFs, then other ETF providers would also need to adjust their operations to comply with the securities regulations. Okay, so which might involve additional costs and complexity. Okay, now this could also affect some companies from offering Ethereum ETFs. Okay, they could make it more expensive for investors because of the stricter regulation. Okay, so that is the news that we have for today, and that is also the effects if the government would really classify Ethereum as security. Okay? So, yeah, what do you think about that? Anyways, we are done with the news, okay? And let's go to our chart because as what I've said, it is also not looking good for Ethereum. Why? Okay, because if we are going to measure it with our Fibonacci tool, okay, so from this area, going to the highest point, and then we will just be extending it, okay, all right, and let's zoom in, okay. Now, as you can see here, we are already at the bottom of our Fibonacci retracement, okay, so we are at the bottom of the golden areas of the Fibonacci, and that is not looking good. It means that it could potentially go down even further if it closes below this area right here. So I'm really hoping that Ethereum could bounce back from these levels, okay? But if not, then possibly we will be having a decline in prices, okay? And if the SEC would really classify Ethereum as securities, then prices might even go further south. All right. Now, just in case that Ethereum would really go down, okay, the next support levels that we are looking into is at this level right here. The orange line that you could see here is what we call the 200 MA moving average, right? And that is also a very strong support level, or that is also a very strong resistance levels for Ethereum. Okay, so let's hope that it would not go even deeper than that, because if Ethereum would really continue to go down even further than this one, then the next support levels would be at around here, okay, to these areas right here. Okay, right, and let's try to measure that one. Okay, so let's say from this level going to this level, then we could potentially lose around 9 to 10% of our money here in Ethereum. Okay, so wow, it's not a good news. Okay, so yeah, let's hope that Ethereum could really bounce back from that level. Also, as what I've mentioned to our previous vlogs, I think that we are already at a bullish flag pattern. Okay, so just like with this one. Okay, so this is the flag, right? And this is the pole. Now, from this pattern, we are hoping that we could see a breakout, okay, from these levels right here, okay? But I think that the approval of the spot Ethereum ETF would be the key for this breakout right here, okay? So I guess that is the only thing that the investors are waiting before they pump the price of Ethereum, okay? But for me, in terms of investing, I would keep on buying Ethereum to those levels right there. Okay, so for this level and also for the 200 MA levels, okay, I will be buying more Ethereum on that because if they will be approving the spot ETF, then sooner or later the prices would really go up. Okay, so it's just a matter of time. I will just be placing my cut loss at around these areas right here. Okay, this one. Okay. I will just be placing my cut loss there, but for now, I will still be buying more Ethereum. Okay. So that is our news for Ethereum. Okay. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to subscribe to our newsletter because we will be sending you guys the freshest crypto information and the freshest crypto news directly to your inbox. All right. So until next time, have a great day. Peace out.